Hello, welcome back to these videos. Of course, I'm Teacher Kent, coming at you again, or Professor Kent, or Mr. Kent, or Mr. Suitor, however people call me. Of course, I have an English School in Japan, where we teach English every day. These are, of course, well, what I'm going to show you are gestures, TPR gestures, total physical response, how to move your body with the vocabulary. That's how we learn our native language, whatever your native language is, and that's how you should learn other languages. So move your body with these words. So today we're doing nencho. Nencho is, of course, 5 years old and 6 years old, kindergarten. In America, we would say like 1 year before elementary. And the topic today, usually we do these in February, these cards. They are garden actions. They also come from supertots. This is, I think, level 3. So if you have supertots, level 3, 3A, 3B, usually teach for the nencho kids and sometimes first and second grade kids to review them. Okay, so please do the gestures with me as we do. Don't forget to like below and comment so we know you're enjoying these videos. So let's see, make a hole. Make a hole, that's easy. Make a hole, dig a hole. Make a hole, make a hole. Here we go. Put in the seed. Can you see? Put in the seed, put in the seed. So see, I'll make a hole like that. Put in the seed, put in the seed. Yes, put in the seed. Can you do it? Put in the seed. Okay, there we go. And here, cover up the seed. Of course, you have the seed here. Cover up the seed. Cover up the seed, cover up the seed, cover up the seed. Okay, and then here, give it water, give it water, give it water, give it water. And then, of course, plant. And then the last one's plant, plant. We grow a plant. Sorry if you can see on camera, plant. Okay, so I'll do it one more time, and then we'll test you at the end, of course. Make a hole. Make a hole, make a hole, make a hole. And, of course, put in the seed. Put in the seed, put in the seed. Yes, put in the seed. Then, of course, we have cover up the seed, cover up the seed. So we have the hole with the seed, cover up the seed, cover up the seed. Then we have give it water, give it water, give it water. And last one, plant, plant. So everybody can become a plant, plant. Okay, so hopefully you're learning these. So by the word of the day is, this is an ornament, Christmas tree ornament. This is my rabbit, rabbit ornament. So we can say rabbit ornament, rabbit ornament. Okay. Our word of the day. Yeah, it's cute, isn't it? It's new this year for our Christmas tree. Okay. Okay, so I'll do one more time just to review. So remember to do first. This time you do the gestures first. Don't forget to speak as you do the gestures. Ready? Can you do make a hole? Can you do it? Make a hole. Make a hole. There you go. How about put in the seed? Can you put in the seed? Put in the seed. Put in the seed. Okay, and then here we go. Cover up seed. Can you cover up seed? Cover up seed. Cover up seed. Remember, stay to the end. I'll teach you a game. Then give it water. Give it water. Give it water. And then plant. Plant. Make a plant. Plant. Okay, and usually with the kindergarten kids, how the game I play with this is make a hole. I have two kids lay like a kind of like a heart. Head, head. This is their head. So head and body. And then they make a hole like that. Make a hole. Two kids make a hole. And then the third kid becomes the seed. So the hole in the middle, the third kid jumps like this, makes a rock in the middle. They lay down like this in the middle. So two kids are the hole, one kid is the seed, put in the seed, then cover up the seed. So as the two kids are the hole, one's the seed, one kid falls over the top to cover it up like this. And then now we have four kids. So of course, two kids the hole, one seed, one more is covering the seed. Then we have water. So we have the fifth kid on the top. They do like this. Spreading the water. As they spread the water, the kid at the bottom of the pile, the seed kid, goes, he becomes a plant. He or she becomes a plant. So of course then, again, two kids become the hole, one kid is the seed in the middle, one kid is covering the seed, and one kid water, and then the bottom kid slowly becomes the plant. So it's a great way to practice these words and play a game. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch these other popular videos on our channel so that you can learn more English every day. We want you to be better every day. Thanks again for watching. Have a good day. See you.